guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you a makeup haul from Nykaa, that is Nykaa Hot Pink Day Sale haul, and it's also very budget friendly beginners makeup haul. A few products that I have purchased from Nykaa, and this haul will be super affordable. The products are very standard. If you are a beginner and want to invest in makeup, you can definitely check this out. Hope it will be helpful. So let's start. First is the Lakme Absolute Blur Perfect Face Primer. It's blurs your pores, your imperfections, and set a perfect base for you. But you can use it whenever you want, and put on some compact whenever you like not to put on some heavy makeup or like that. This is the packaging, this is the product, this is the product. Looks like it is 10 grams and priced at 299 rupees. I got it in 209 rupees, and its shelf life is 3 years from now, and it's a very good shelf life, I guess, for this quantity. So this is the product. The next is a very basic, that is the Lakme Iconic Liner Pen. It looks like this, like almost a marker pen. This is priced at 500, and its shelf life is 2 years from now, 2K24, and I got it for I think 250 rupees. So, and next is the Insight Cosmetics Pro Concealer Palette. This is the palette. There are very few colors in the palette, and the packaging is also good. I just super excited to use this. I heard many good reviews, and I will also update my review. I got this for 169 rupees, and it's priced at 199 rupees, and its shelf life is 3 years from now, 2K25. So this is, I think, a good investment. Hope this product will perform fine. So this is the palette. Next is the Lakme Lumi Cream. This is moisturizer with highlighter. This is the cream. This is the packaging, how it looks like. This is, and it quantity is 30 grams and priced at 299 rupees. I got it for 230 rupees, and its shelf life is 2K25, 3 years from now. This is also a basic investment. If you want dewy finish, if you want that glow on your makeup, so you can definitely invest in it. And finally, this one is also a basic product, the Nykaa Black Magic Liner. The packaging looks like this, and it's priced at 170 rupees. I got it for 153 rupees in sale, and it says that it 12-hour long stay. So let's try. I previously used the Lakme Iconic Kajal, and its shelf life is 3 years from now. Okay, so this is the final product. The entire range costs me around 1011 rupees, but I have a discount at this time during this sale, as it was my first purchase during the Hot Pink Day sale. I got 300 rupees off, and this entire range costs me around 700 and something. So this is a super budget friendly investment for me. Hope you will guys like it. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel for more contents, and show me some love. Hope you guys like it. This is for now. Okay, bye bye.